They are who we thought they were. Yes, we're talking about the Texas Republican Party, who in court documents this week, it has been revealed that they really, this is what they said, that they redrew the state lines to maximize the weight of the Republican voters and minimize the voter strength of Democrats. In court documents. In 2011, both houses in the Texas Legislature were controlled largely by Republicans, and their redistricting decisions were designed to increase Republican Party electoral prospects at the expense of Democrats. Now, now let's give you a little bit of background here. So the Attorney General has filed suit against the state of Texas for, some voting rights violations. Now, we understand the Supreme Court gutted the Voting Rights Act, but we're trying to get some court precedent here, and that's why the Attorney General has filed suit. And the Attorney General, which is the person, I guess, the defendant in this particular case, in his court documents has literally let us know that, yeah, we have nothing to hide here in Texas. We created these laws so that Democrats can lose and Republicans can win, and that's the end of the game. And in my mind, I'm just like, wow. I mean, I got to tell you, folks, you got to at least award them for their honesty. At least they're honest about how they feel about, the right to work, the right to unionize, and the right to have a good education, and the right for folks to, the rights for, to celebrate diversity. They don't believe in those things. They made that very clear. And they're going to do everything possible to block them by making sure that there's more Republicans elected than Democrats, by basically fixing the game. They've changed the rules. They've altered the game. They've destroyed any chance that the Democrats have of winning. There's a slight problem here for the Republican Party, though. Slight problem. Just a little one. You see, the state of Texas is becoming more and more and more diverse as more people move to Texas because of they think, because of its booming economy, and the fact that a lot of corporations are going there. The population is slowly starting to shift. And by 2016, there's a very good likelihood that there's more brown and black folks in Texas than there are white folks in Texas. And if you register those brown and black people to vote, and you get them to the polls, it doesn't matter how you really draw the districts. It won't matter as much, better yet. But beyond that, Texas isn't fundamentally a race to the bottom, right? Because they continue to cut public education and they continue to cut a woman's right to choose. They're going to be forced into finding new alternatives. They're going to have to go and brain drain other states to get the people they need to get the job done when all the corporations move there. So these voting laws have bigger impacts than we think that they really have. It's not just about electing Democrats or electing Republicans. It's about the policies that those state legislatures pass. Some of those policies include, but they aren't limited to, basically destroying a woman's right to choose, or cutting millions and millions and millions of dollars out of the education budget, or restricting people's right to vote, or discriminating against people because of who they love, what color they are, or what language they speak. You see, these laws have true and profound impacts, which is why if you're watching this and you live in Texas, you know somebody who lives in Texas, get involved, get engaged, and get registered to vote.